students. Welcome to this lecture, which is about game theory. Game theory, which is crucial for analyzing strategic interaction and decision-making process. It aids in understanding behavior, predicting outcomes, designing incentives, resolving conflict, and informing policy across disciplines. What is game theory? Game theory is a branch of applied mathematics, was developed by John von Neumann and Oskar Morgenstern. Analyzes interdependent decision-making among multiple players. It finds application in economics, politics, biology, and more. Examining strategies and payoffs. Its fundamental elements are players, strategies, and payoffs. It applied across various disciplines for understanding strategic interaction. What is a player? Players are ranging from individuals to governments. They act rationally in strategic games, aiming to maximize payoffs by selecting strategies based on preferences, constraints, and available information. In strategic games, players devise complete action plan known as strategies, impacting each other's decision, creating interdependence. Decision-making strategies vary based on context and player goals. Dominant strategy prioritize the best outcome regardless of others' choices. Maximax aims to maximize the highest payoff, while Maximin focuses on minimize potential losses. Strategies are chosen to optimize payoffs or utility, considering various scenarios and potential outcomes. Nash equilibrium occurs when strategies are optimal response to each other's benefits, forming an equilibrium in a game. Equilibrium strategy represents the best choice for a player, yielding the highest payoff, which signifies gains or losses for each player. Depicting in a pay matrix. Game rules detail how one player's action affect others' payoffs. Equilibrium is reached when no player has an incentive to alter or to change behavior more. What are the characteristics of game theory? Game theory are characterized by the way or order in which players move. It's characterized by focusing on outcomes dependent on others' decisions, involves the players impacting each other's choices. Players have outcome set or payoffs, which represent preferences. Players may differ in information and strategies, for that they differ in payoffs. Strategies outline action and response to others' move in all circumstances. What are the aims of game theory? Game theory aims to model player interaction, where decisions impact others, analyze optimal strategies based on preferences, aid in understanding social dynamic among competitors, analyze strategic interaction, competition, and decision-making process. What are the types of game theory? Among these types we have cooperative game, which involve collective pursuit of common goal, It prioritizes collaboration over individual interest. Non-cooperative game, which focuses on competition, leading to individual or selective victories. Symmetric games, which entail equal chances for all parts, emphasizes equilibrium strategies. Asymmetric game, which involve information and influences imbalanced affecting outcomes. Simultaneous game, which involve independent strategy selection, while sequential game analyze actions impacts on future outcome. Zero-sum game, which yield gains for one player only if another loses, while non-zero game offer variable total payoffs. What are the methods for solving game theory? We have a number of methods followed to find solution. Among them we have the odds method or probability-based decision making analyzes outcomes, decision makers, and situation for strategy choices. It employs probability theory for rational decision and risk assessment. Secondly, the dominant method, which eliminates inferior strategies and simplifying game analysis. The subgame method, which analyzes smaller decision points within a larger game to determine optimal strategies. It dissects multi-stages game into sub-games for facilitating strategy analysis, identify decision point in a game, each initiating a sub-game with a unique strategy and payoffs. Players analyze the sub-game, selecting optimal strategies based on available information. Backward induction involves players reasoning from game and to start, maximize payoffs at each point. Players integrate sub-game solution considering strategies impact over outcome, used in economic, political science, and operation research for analyzing strategies interaction in complex and uncertain environment. Complexity increase with decision point and game tree size. The method aids understanding dynamic and devising effective strategy. We have the fourth one, which is the equal gain method, which refers to a method of distributing resources or gains among individuals in a fair and equitable manner. The most important elements of this method include are the following. See you next week, inshallah.